Ouroboros Space and Defense specializes in multi-axis machining for the space industry. Before ProShop, we were using a document-based QMS that was a chaotic mess to organize or audit. So it's been life-changing to have everything in a digital landscape.
ProShop enables us to do way more than the other prototype shop I'd been at. I go from having to remember everything and juggle all of the things to remembering to click one button.
We looked at a lot of systems before we decided to implement ProShop, and the biggest differentiator that I found was the communication with ProShop and ProShop staff and the amount of input they had to help us know what was going to work for our use case.
If you don't have a QMS that's integrated like ProShop is, or you don't have all of your inspection requirements right at your fingertips, it can be really easy to let something drop.
We've had 2 audits now with ProShop, and both times the auditor has commented that this is almost too easy. We're going to be done way too fast. I need to be here for 2 or 3 days. What are we going to do with all the rest of our time? The bang for your buck you get with ProShop, especially compared to the cost of some of the larger ERP companies, is just astounding. ProShop has given me a lot better quality of life by being able to look at and see how my business is running. I sleep at night knowing that our quality is under control. My name is Nathan, and my shop is powered by ProShop.